which ran over both my face and my chest. Laying there in the road, all I knew was I couldn't see out of the right side of my face. There were halos in my vision, and everything was blurry. It was so hard for me to breathe. I remember hearing one man yelling, and I remember thinking his voice sounded like the voice of God. Just thunderous. Stop your fucking car. Get out of your fucking car. Sit the fuck down. And I remember thinking, oh, I'd hate to be on the other end of that voice. He's not yelling at me. No,